guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing a challenge, and I don't really do challenges that much on my channel, but somebody challenged me to do a video, and you know exactly who you are. And what the challenge was that I had to do my whole face of makeup using only my hands. So no brushes, no sponges, no nothing. They gave me the exception that I could do my brows with obviously a brow pencil and spoolie, and I could do my mascara with the wand. But everything else, no go. I just gotta go on my hands and hope that it looks okay. And they also said no cheating, don't use BB creams and stuff. So they were really trying to like make sure I didn't cut any corners. So they wanted a full face of glam with only my fingers. So we're just gonna see how this looks and use a lot of makeup wipes in between to wash my hands. Okay, so let's just jump in. First thing first is primer, which is great because I already used my hands for primer. I'm just gonna use the E.L.F. Glow Up Primer. This, if you love a nice glow to your skin, you should try this. Plus it feels really cool on the skin. Like, it's cool as in the fact that it feels like really jelly, but it's also cooling. Okay, easy part out of the way. Up next, foundation. You're probably like wondering, why are you holding those up? That's not foundation. It's because I'm ready to clean my hands afterwards and I need to make sure I'm prepared. Full glam foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh-ware foundation, which it doesn't even matter that it's 24-hour because I'm gonna wipe this off right after I'm done. I already know. I'm just gonna take a bump in my hand. You know what? This might not be too bad. Who knows? This could look fabulous. It's weird rubbing this in because it's so much more thicker than the primer that I have to really like drag it. Also, why did I pick a foundation that I already know is not my perfect color? I am silly because I always have to powder this foundation. Oh, application looks totally fine, right? This looks good. But I have to use powder with this foundation to make it the right color, so was not thinking. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. And you just wait. I'm gonna make this look good. I'm gonna make it look easy. And the person who challenged me is gonna be like, oh, that wasn't fun. It was a fail. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with my Fit Me powder. Make sure my hands are dried off or else I will ruin the powder. I guess I'm just gonna swirl my fingers in there. This is not gonna be good. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna pat really fast. This foundation is so tacky. I didn't realize. I always put so much powder on. So like none of my foundations feel tacky like this. Okay, this one's ready. I'm just gonna pat really fast. Pat, pat. And if I don't get a good amount of powder on now, everything else is gonna look so much worse going on. All my face products are gonna be so patchy. Let's just do like a really fun turquoise eye. Starting this beautiful duochrome blue. I'm gonna take a transition shade first on my pointer finger and just sort of buff that. Oh god, this is good. Okay, we're gonna just buff this through the crease. Oh my gosh, that blended so well. Thank you, Wet n Wild, for making beautiful shadows. Let's do the next side. Oh, that works so well. I'm gonna go in with the next transition shade. It's more of a red tone brown, and we're gonna just take that a little lower. It's kind of hard to be precise. I wasn't gonna take it this low on the lid, but it's there now. But you know what? It's blending out, which is really good. Lower lash line might be an issue. I'm just gonna take both of those shades on my pinky mixed together, and we're just gonna attempt to put this on the lower lash line. Oh no, oh no, no, no. It's just gonna be a really blown out lower lash line. I'm totally messing my eyeshadows up doing this. Like, do you see that bottom transition color? It's all messed up now. Okay. Star of the show time. We're gonna go in with that really intense blue. And we're gonna put this all over the lid. I'm gonna start really low because I don't want to take this too high. I'm super unaware when I'm using my fingers how high I'm going. Let's just keep it low and take it slow. Oh, that looks pretty good. Okay. My camera's about to die. That's great. That's great. Oh, that came out really blurry in the mid-center there. Okay. Okay, this is what we're working with. It looks pretty good. Okay. Let's do some inner corner highlight. We're just gonna take this beautiful shade here. It's like a taupe shade on my pinky because it's the smallest. We're just gonna gently tap. Okay. And we're gonna try to blend it out. Just a little bit, just a little bit. How does that look? A little messy. Let's use a clean finger to try to clean it up. I went a little too high. Okay, that's not terrible. I think that looks very good, right? Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do mascara and my brows since I can use normal stuff for that. Why would you want to see that? I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes and brows are done. I think my eyes don't look that bad. My face looks dry, but we're gonna put some more face products on now. So I'm gonna go in with, do I want to contour or do I want to bronze? We're in bronze, whatever. I'm already holding it. This is my Milani bronzer. I'm just gonna take 2 fingers and then rub fastly and fierce. Oh my gosh, why did I not use my Huda Beauty Tantour? It's liquid. I probably could have blended it out way better than a powder, but no. I decided to pick this up because I'm silly and I wasn't thinking. It's like it looks paler without using a brush, which is weird. Yeah, this product literally looks paler without the brush, which is so odd. But whatever, let's just move on to blush. I'm gonna use Always Spicy by E.L.F. Just really light-handedly. Just sort of take it over my cheeks. You can't really see it. Let's do a little bit more. Looks awful. Oh my god, why is it so pat? Why am I saying why is it patchy? It's because I'm using my fingers. Oh, that looks bad. Oh, this is going downhill. Okay, let's move on to highlight. I can't fix that. It's just sticking in place. Because it wasn't like a good layer of powder, it just wants to stick. I need to wipe my hands for the 10,000th time. We're gonna go in with some highlight. Hit those cheekbones. You just wait. I'm gonna make this look good. I'm gonna make it look easy. Okay, let's try that again. That looked awful. Oh my god. Oh my god, the eyes were fine. I thought the eyes would be the hard part. I was mistaken. The face is the hard part. My highlight is so awful. There's no other way to put it. It just looks awful. Okay, I'm stopping. It's just getting everywhere. I'm done with highlight. I'm gonna move on to lips. I'm just gonna take Physicians Formula Raisin Immunity for the lips, and I cannot use this with, I think this will be fine. We're just gonna put them on the back of our hand, like so. Wipe my finger off of my leg because I don't give any cares anymore, and I'm just gonna shower after this. My lips are so dry. Should use a regular lipstick. I'm gonna slowly layer this up. My cheeks look awful. They look bad. Like, they could be worse, but they don't look good. This color isn't showing up too much, which is kind of great. But I'm gonna add a little bit more for some weird reason, like because I want to fit. I don't. I want this to look good. Let's just add a little more. There was a point there where I was like, oh, I'll line my lips. No. What was I thinking? I'm not gonna line my lips. And then to lock in all of these beautiful powders, just gonna take the E.L.F. Glow Mist. Because for some reason I'm crazy and I wanna lock this in. Hopefully the spray kind of makes the powders look better, but all in all, this is the completed look. My face is still a little bit wet. It looks pretty good, right? Is it just me or does this look pretty good? I'm shocked. This came out way better than I was expecting. I'm shocked. I thought this would be a train wreck. But I think it looks pretty good. Well, you guys tell me. Do you think this looks pretty good? Because I feel like this looks pretty good. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I post. And leave comments below for what challenge you want me to do next. I feel like I conquered this one. And now I'm kind of ready for another one. So, yes. And until next time, guys. Bye!